Good morning, students. Today's topic is limiting reagent, class 11, chapter 1. First of all, I will tell you about the limiting reagent. What do you understand by limiting reagent? Actually, the reactant which is completely consumed by the end of the reaction, that is called limiting reagent. What I am saying? The reactant which is completely consumed during the reaction or by the end of the reaction, that is called limiting reagent, and the products will be formed according to limiting reagents, and the other reactant which is present in the greater amount than limiting reagent would be left unreacted. What I am saying? The other reactant which is present in the larger amount than the limiting reagent then would be left unreacted by the end of reaction. For suppose I am taking example of this reaction. Suppose one reaction is, suppose CH4 I am taking example, and 2 plus 3H2 gives 2NH3. Okay. Now, how many moles of nitrogen here are present here? 1 mole. Okay. And here 3 moles of hydrogens are present. Okay. Here 2 moles of hydrogens are present. Okay. Now 1 mole of nitrogen is reacting with the 3 moles of hydrogen and forming the 2 moles of ammonia. It means if in a given mixture, suppose in a given mixture 1 mole of nitrogen and 4 moles of hydrogen are mixed, and they will react with each other and form the 2 moles of ammonia. How much moles will be reacting here of nitrogen? Only 1 mole. And how many moles of hydrogen will be reacted with the 1 mole of nitrogen? Only 3 moles. Only 3 moles of hydrogen will react with the 1 mole of nitrogen. So 1 mole would be left unreacted. Correct? What I am saying कि 1 mole of nitrogen से 3 moles of hydrogen react करके 2 moles of ammonia बना रहे हैं. It means hydrogen के कितने मोल required है 1 mole nitrogen के लिए? 3 moles. But given कितने हैं? 4 moles. So 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. Correct? So 1 mole of hydrogen would be left unreacted because only 3 moles of hydrogen will be reacted with nitrogen. Okay. So this is present in the excess amount. Hydrogen gas is present in the excess amount. So this is called excess reagent. It will be called as excess reagent. So here hydrogen will act as excess reagent. This is called excess reagent. And by the end of reaction, 1 mole of nitrogen is completely consumed. So nitrogen will act as limiting reagent, and nitrogen will act as limiting reagent because it is consumed completely by the end of reaction. So what is the definition of limiting reagent is? The reactant which completely consumed during by the end of reaction is called limiting reagent. Okay, so limiting reagent in this reaction, what are you looking at? Nitrogen is acting as a limiting reagent and hydrogen is acting as a excess reagent, because 1 mole of hydrogen remains unreacted by the end of reaction. It would be left in the by the end of the reaction, but nitrogen will get consumed by the end of reaction completely. नाइट्रोजन जो है वो उसका 1 मोल पूरी तरह से कंज्यूम हो जाएगा रिएक्शन के एंड तक, बट 4 मोल्स यदि हाइड्रोजन के गिवन है तो ओनली 3 मोल्स कंज्यूम होंगे हाइड्रोजन के, बट 1 मोल जो है वो इट वुड बी लेफ्ट अनरिएक्टेड, वो अनरिएक्टेड रह जाएगा. इट मीन्स हाइड्रोजन इज प्रेजेंट इन द एक्सेस अमाउंट and nitrogen is present in the limited amount. Nitrogen is present in the limited amount, so it is known as limiting reagent, and hydrogen is present in the excess amount, so it will be act as excess reagent. Correct? Now we will do the question numerical based on this limiting reagent, then you will get more understand very easily. Okay, now question is, suppose question is three gram of hydrogen and 29 gram of O2 are mixed. Okay, to form water. Okay, which is the limiting reagent? First question, which is the limiting reagent? Question second is, what is the maximum amount of water will be formed? And third question is, which reagent is left unreacted, and what is its amount? This is the question. What is it? Its amount. Okay. So question is, 3 gram of hydrogen reacts with the 29 gram of oxygen. So answer first. First of all, we have to write the equation. So first of all, write the equation. In this reaction, hydrogen is reacting with oxygen. So H2 plus O2 gives 2H2. Okay, we will balance it. 2H2. Therefore, 2 oxygen here. 2 to 4. So we will write the 2. Okay, this is the balance equation. Gas and liquid. Okay. This is the balance equation. First of all, we have to write the equation, then we have to balance it. Okay. Now we will see that how much moles or grams are present here. Okay. 2 moles of hydrogen, 1 mole of oxygen, 2 moles of water. Correct? Moles, 1 mole equal to 2 gram, 2 into 2. It means 4 gram. Okay. 1 mole means 16 multiplied 2, it means 32 gram oxygen. Correct? and 2 moles of water. At molecular mass of water is 18 gram. 18 multiplied by 2. 2 multiplied 18 means 36 gram water. Okay. It means 4 gram of hydrogen. 4 gram, since 4 gram of hydrogen will react with oxygen is equal to 32 gram. 4 gram is reacting with 32 gram of oxygen. Therefore, how much hydrogen is given to you? 3 gram. So we will write here 3 gram. 3 gram of hydrogen will react with O2 is equal to 32 divided by 4 multiplied by 3. It means 96 by 4. 96 by 4, if you will divide it, correct? It means 24. Answer is 24 gram. Okay. So 24 grams of oxygen is reacting with the 3 gram of hydrogen. Correct? And what amount is given in the question? 29 gram. Yes. Amount of O2 is given to you. Hello? Yes. Amount of O2 is given to you is equal to, how much O2 is given to you? 29 gram. So, therefore, amount of O2 would be left unreacted will be 29 is given to you and answer is 24 gram. So it would be reacted unreacted. 29 minus 24 is equal to 5 gram. Okay, 5 gram amount of O2 left unreacted. Correct? So answer third. You are getting the answer third of question third. Which reagent is left unreacted? O2 will be left unreacted, and what is this amount? 24 gram. Okay, answer of question third. Okay, and answer of question first is, now it is a excess reagent because O2 is left unreacted in the reaction, so it is known as excess reagent. Then the limiting reagent will be hydrogen because it is consumed completely by the end of reaction. So limiting reagent will be, this is the answer, limiting reagent would be hydrogen. Hydrogen would be your limiting reagent, and O2 will be your excess reagent because it would be left unreacted. And how much amount would be unreacted? 5 gram of O2. Okay, and what amount will be consumed of O2? 24 gram. So answer third, we have got the answer, first answer of question number 1 and third. Now question number second, we will do the question number second. What is the maximum amount of water will be formed? This question, and this is very important question. What is asking about the maximum amount of water will be formed. Okay, so now we will do this question. You can take a screenshot. Okay, now come to the hydrogen. 4 gram of hydrogen, since 4 gram of hydrogen will form water. How much water will be formed? 36 gram. Correct? 4 gram of hydrogen is forming the 36 gram of water. Therefore, how much gram? 3 gram of hydrogen, because only 3 grams of hydrogen are given in the question. So 3 gram of hydrogen will form water equal to 36 divided by 4, 36 divided by 4 and multiplied by 3. Multiplied by 3. Now you will get the answer. (108 by 4), and if you will get the answer 27 gram. Four to 8, 2, 4, 7, 28. Okay, 27 gram. Answer. Okay, in this way we will get the answer. 27 gram of water will be formed by the reaction of the H2 and O2. Okay, so this is the limiting reagent and based numerical. And now one point is left here, mole mass relationship question. Okay, so mole mass of reaction relationship, only you have to understand that if moles of reactants are given, then mass, you have to find out the mass of the product, and moles of the product will be given to you, then mass of the reactant will be asked from you. Okay, in mass moles relationship question. Next time, till then, goodbye, take care.